So welcome to the session. So last class we discussed about the chemical formula, how we have to write the chemical formula. So in that, for example, when you take sodium chloride, for writing chemical formula, we have to know the cations and anions, cation ions and anion ions. The cation means positive. The ion indicates the charges, whether it will be positive charge or negative charge. The cation means positive charge. The anion means negative charge. The anion means negative charge. So last class we discussed the monovalent polyatomic ions and bivalent polyatomic ions. Now we will discuss trivalent polyatomic ions. So in trivalent polyatomic ions, the borate formula is BO3. The valency is 3 minus. And for phosphate, the formula is PO4 and the valency is 3 minus. Next, we will see the multivalent cations or polyvalent cations. The term multi indicates poly, many. It will be 2, it will be 3, it will be 4. That indicates multivalent cations. If the element having two different valency means in that suffix means last three words. Last three words is if the element is having lower valency means the last letters it will be ended with OUS. If the element is having higher valency means the last letter is ended with IC. For example, you just take the first compound, that is AU plus. So in AU plus, you can see that AU indicates gold. So plus 1 indicates the valency, it will be 1. So here it will having only one valency. So here it's having 3 valency. So that here it is ended with IC. So here it's having only one valency. So it's ended with OUS, RS. That is, we can write whether gold 1 or RS. So gold 1 means the valency is 1. So that we can write it in the Roman letter. That is gold 1 or RS. Why we have to write RS? Because the valency is less. The gold having 2 valency, that is plus 1 and plus 3. Plus 1 is lower valency, so it is ended with OUS. And so here it is plus 3. It's having higher valency, so it is ended with IC. So here gold 3. Gold 3 means the gold having 3 valency, that is AU3 plus. Gold 3 or auric. And next is Ce3 plus. So Ce, the name is serum. That is cerium. So cerium. So here the valency is 3 plus. So cerium 3, or we can write it as, so cerium has 2 valency, that is plus 3 and plus 4. Plus 3 is the lower valency, so we can write as Cerus. Plus 4 is a higher valency. So we can write as cerium 4 or ceric. And next is CO2 plus. So CO means cobalt. Cobalt having 2 valency, plus 2 plus 3. Plus 2 means cobaltous or cobalt 2. Plus 3 means cobalt 3 or cobaltic. And next is Cu plus, Cu2 plus. So Cu plus, it's having copper having valency 1 and valency 2. So 1 means copper 1, 2 means copper 2. So copper 1 or cuprous, copper 2 or cupric. Cuprous means the valency is plus 1. Cupric means the valency is plus 2. It's having higher valency. And next is Fe2 plus or Fe3 plus. Iron having 2 valency. One is 2 plus and 3 plus. 2 plus means ferrous. 3 plus means ferric. That is iron 2 or iron 3. Ferrous or ferric. And next is Mn2 plus or Mn3 plus. So Mn2 plus means manganese 2 or manganese. And Mn3 plus means manganese 3 or manganic. And Pb2 plus. So Pb2 plus means lead 2 or plumpous. Actually lead is having 2 valency, that is plus 2 and plus 4. So plus 2 means plumpous and plus 4 means plumpic. And Sn2 plus, Sn4 plus. Sn2 plus lower valency, it is tannous. And Sn4 plus higher valency, it is tannic. Sn2, that is tin 2. Sn4, tin 4 or stannic. Next, these are some elements which having the valency 1. It will be bromine, chlorine, fluorine, hydrogen, iodine, lithium, sodium, potassium. And next is the valency 2 elements are barium, calcium, magnesium, oxygen and sulfur. And next is valency 3 is boron and aluminium. And valency 4 is carbon and silicon. Next we can see how we have to write the chemical formula. The first question is, write the formula for magnesium nitrate. So we have to write the formula for magnesium nitrate. For that, first we have to know the symbol of cation and anion. So here magnesium nitrate, which is cation and which is anion, children? The magnesium is cation and nitrate is anion. So what is the symbol for magnesium, children? Mg. For nitrate, NO3. And what is the valency for magnesium, children? The valency for magnesium is 2 plus. And the valency for nitrate is NO3 minus. So here you can see the magnesium, the formula is Mg. The valency is 2 plus. For nitrate, the formula is NO3. The valency is minus 1. Further, we have to apply crisscross. So these 1 will come in the subscript of cation. And this 2, only the number not the charges. The number only have to come in the subscript. The charges will not come. So here 2. The 2 will come in the subscript of NO3. So what is the formula for magnesium nitrate, children? The magnesium, the valency is +2. For nitrate, the valency is -1. So the magnesium nitrate formula is MgNO3 twice. No need to mention 1. Okay, children. So the magnesium nitrate formula is MgNO3 twice. Okay, children. So see you on next session. Thank you.